So a couple of tips when trying to put these massive or fancy wire jump rings together. The fancy wire jump rings have a tendency to unravel, especially right when you're ready to solder. I don't know why. So I would open them up and I would put a little piece of solder on each end, like I did with this one here. And that way what you're going to do is you're going to end up soldering these wires together so they're not going to unravel at one edge. You can also, after you've done the solder, put them together and run a saw blade through here, and that'll clean up any weirdnesses or if there's any extra solder at the seam.